eating?
Crab.
Okay.
Crab and shrimp and mussel and corn. And potatoes.
Potatoes. It's gonna be yummy. Okay.
What else?
What else?
Lemon. Potato.
What do you want to eat first?
And shrimp.
Oh, first, this is what we caught yesterday. We went crabbing. My husband caught a bunch of crabs for us, and we got some mussels. So these are very fresh. I perched them all night last night, so that way they spit out all the sand. Crabs are good. Shrimps, found them in my freezer. They're good. Did you catch any crabs yesterday?
No.
No? What were you doing yesterday?
Playing in sand.
You were playing at the sand. Yeah? You were at the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. What do you want to eat first?
Corn.
You want to eat corn first? Okay.
Wait.
With the sauce? Oh. What kind of sauce is this? It's a yummy sauce, huh? Oh, I think you're biting it wrong. Bite it from the side. Oh. Okay, let me do it for you.
Oh, yuck.
Yeah. With the hair. Yeah, huh? Come down. There we go. Good job. Okay, here's your corn. You hold it. Let's try the mussels. I've been craving for mussels, and look, looks so yummy.
Yummy. Yum.
Okay. Oh, they can't see it. Ooh, yummy. Good job.
I can't even eat it.
You can't even eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me put the sauce on your side then.
Ah!
Oh my. Go ahead, eat it. Big bite. Good job. It's good. I can't even see you in the frame anymore. Yeah, get on your knees, okay?
So good. You guys, you have to actually eat this because it's so sweet and yummy with sauce, with corn. So yummy. Good. Bye.
Okay, let's try the mussel. You want to try the mussels?
No.
No? Are you sure?
No.
Okay.
Start with the corn now. Guys.
That's
Let's
good.
eat with the corn now. Yum. Tasty.
Get on your knees, baby. Good job. That's good. It's yummy. Shrimp. You're very good. How about potatoes? You want to try potatoes?
No.
No?
I like corn only. I like corn with sauce. Tastes more better, you guys.
So fresh. So good. They're so easy to harvest too.
Yeah.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Sorry. So good. The corn is super sweet.
You eating my corn?
No,
Oh, what is that one?
that's my corn.
I want that other one. Save the other one for me, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey, you.
Mm.
You mean? Huh? You're sitting in front of me.
Mm.
Huh?
Sorry.
The friend wants me,
Okay.
and he wants me, and you, and he wants.
Ooh. Yum. Mm-hmm. Super good.
Mm. Super good.
Mm-hmm.
You try this, you guys. Yeah, this is.
Super good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
They have to try it.
Yeah. You want mom?
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
Okay, okay.
that looks like blood.
Mm.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like blood. Right?
Mm-hmm. But it's just butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, do not put stuff into your mouth of your teeth, of your two teeth. Because this is bad.
Mm-hmm.
This is not fun either.
Not fun?
Yep, like,
Or
oh, and here. The thingy that was, the thingy in my teeth got stuck in there.
mm-hmm.
It flew into there.
You want to try some shrimp?
You guys, do not do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Don't put food in between to your teeth, two of your teeth, because that's bad. Because don't do it like me, okay, you guys?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Oh, so sad.
Mm-hmm.
So macaque. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I need water.
Okay. Did you have fun crabbing yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was so fun at crabbing.
Mm-hmm. You want to go again, huh?
Yeah. I don't want to go again because bugs are going to get me again.
Mm?
Yeah.
Oh, yesterday there was a lot of flies, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
And they were trying to put their food on me. The fly was trying
Really?
to put their food on my skin and trying to get up. I'm trying to get off.
Ooh.
Ooh.
This is a rock crab, a red rock crab.
Can I touch him?
Yeah, sure.
He's nice.
He is nice. Should we eat him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I like breaking him. Woo! It's so strong, Mom.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
Let's try the corn.
Try the corn again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get one of the... Oh. You want that?
Oh.
I can do that for you.
You can you?
Yeah?
Okay.
Fun.
Hold on. Let's try this crab real quick.
Yeah. But you're not going now.
You want to try the crab? Here. Come try it. It's
no.
delicious.
No thanks.
No?
No thanks. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
What are you doing?
I'm
Don't
good.
move that there. Move over there. Move it.
I'm good.
Move the pillow. Move the pillow.
I made it so it don't hurt my back.
Oh, okay. Okay.
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Now you can hold on to my legs.
Okay. Sure.
So good. I'm gonna do it now.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna put it behind us. Okay, I'm gonna do it for you, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna
Where are you going?
going to.
Okay.
Where's the thing?
Yeah. Right here.
You wanna eat the crab now?
Yep.
I'm gonna eat right there.
Yep. Okay, hold on. Let me eat this part first.
I'm so chumpy. Chump, chump, chump. I'm so good.
Okay. Right here.
There. I'm gonna crash it.
Okay, well, ready?
Ready, set, go.
Ooh.
I'm gonna.
Whoa, it's too hard.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
It's too hard.
Yeah. Ooh. You guys, that's so loud.
Sorry.
Do not try that, okay? Because that's so loud.
Do not try that at home, huh?
Yeah, because that's so loud.
Super loud.
Yep. Do not do it, okay?
That's because red crab, their claws are super hard.
Yeah.
Super thick. That's why they're so strong.
And I'm gonna sit on my spot again, okay?
Okay. Uh-oh.
Excuse me. We can go back to our each other's spot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh!
Here, try some.
Look at this. I'm good without crabs. I'm good without crabs.
What? It's the best.
Yeah. That looks like sausage. That looks like sausage poop. That looks like
Don't say that.
sausage poop. Yeah.
Are you done eating?
No. I'm still eating.
Okay.
There's
Love
corn.
crabs. I love eating crabs.
I don't love eating crabs.
You don't?
No,
Oh,
I
look, a
love.
little mussel. Baby mussel.
Here, let's open it. Yeah.
It's so cute.
Yeah. Let's eat the baby mussel.
Want to eat it? No. So tiny, so cute.
Daddy mussel.
That's the daddy mussel. Look at
And
this
that's
one.
the
How
brother's-
orange.
And mommy, that's the sister mussel too. And
Yeah.
that's the sister mussel.
Oh, this
that
one's
you're-
the sister mussel?
That's the sister's mussel that you're eating. That's the daddy mussel. That's the mother's mussel. And the one where you ate first, that was the baby mussel.
Yeah?
And that's the mommy mussel. All of the
I'm
mussel.
gonna eat the daddy mussel.
Yeah, you wanna eat the daddy mussel? Oh, there's another baby mussel. Right there.
Really?
Yeah, right there. Look.
Okay. Hold on.
Boom. Eat the daddies. Daddy. Bye-bye. You can even get daddy.
Ooh, looks so good.
Good lemon. It can be so sour.
Daddy mussel, here I go.
You're all naked.
Mm-hmm.
Move the lemon so you can see the baby mussel.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, another baby mussel.
Aww. So cute.
Sometimes when I grab the mussels, the little ones, they come off with it too. So
Yeah.
they do not go to waste. I still eat them. Oh, fell off. Look how tiny. It's like a little clam.
Yeah.
Like a little clam.
Yeah.
Mmm.
It's like a baby mussel too.
Mm-hmm.
Eat the more and eat all of the mussel.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat my corn.
Oh, sure.
That's the boogie one. I'm gonna eat that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't want sausage.
Sausage. Sausage. I can't see you.
Oh. I can't even see your eyes.
You can't see my eyes?
Mm-mm.
There you go. Sorry. Shrimp. So good.
Corn coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy. So good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I heard the baby outside.
Yeah, there is a baby.
There was
Mm-hmm.
just like that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I can't see your eyes again. Wipe my face. Funny. I can still jump.
Yeah, this crab is definitely huge. Pretty huge for a rock crab. It's as big as my hand.
Whoa!
Ooh!
It went into here.
It did? It hit my face.
Yeah, and then it went to the couch. The football eating.
Yeah? Sorry.
Mm.
Don't touch that one over there. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Ah! Water. Ow. I bit my tongue.
You okay?
Yep. So yummy. Oh, that's splatter.
Sorry. This crab is... I guess the crab wins today. I can get it to crack. Claw is too strong.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's a daddy crab.
I think so too.
Mm.
Daddy should eat this crab, huh?
I see. That's why you couldn't eat it.
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Ooh, look at all that.
Yeah. That looks delicious.
That does look delicious.
But I'm good without crabs for now.
You're good without the crab right now?
Yeah. Water. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's a little bit spicy.
Yeah, just a little bit, huh? But it's good.
Yeah, it tastes good with corn.
Mm-hmm.
So yummy. Oh, in my tummy. Yummy, yummy.
Mmm. Crab butter.
Crab butter.
This one looks like it's ready to molt soon.
Yeah.
It's a new shell.
Yeah. Look.
Mm-hmm.
See that? So sweet.
So sweet. Here, can I dip some?
Sure.
Thanks. Mmm.
I like my mom eat too.
Thank you. That is so good.
You guys, do you let your mom eat?
Mm.
Always do? Good, wait.
Always let your mom eat, huh? You okay?
Yeah. I'm so confused because my mouth's so burning.
You're confused? You okay?
I'm confused because my mouth are burning out of burning.
Oh my gosh.
It's bubbling.
It's bubbling?
Yeah. It's bubbling. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. So
That
sweet.
looks
Look.
so good. Mm.
Mm.
Okay, so it's even. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat my crab. I eat the butter.
Wait.
Crab butter. Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm dripping everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you are.
Oh no.
Okay, that's okay. I'll clean it later.
Yeah.
I'll just eat the mussels.
I'll just eat the corn.
Okay. Sure.
Can I dip, please?
Sure, of course.
Always let your brother eat.
Mm-hmm.
Your turn.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I bet the. Mm.
Mmm.
Mm.
Potato. Oh, sorry.
Mm. Mm.
What?
It tastes bad when you pick one corner of a small size, pick one corn and put it in there, and it get harder to eat. Chomp.
Mm-hmm.
I spit out.
Mm.
It's hard to chomp.
Yeah. It's hard to jump on it.
Mm.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Really?
That's how you drink, okay?
The seasoning. Mm.
Oh. Got it.
Why don't you turn it around?
Mm.
Mm-hmm. What's wrong?
I'm already confused.
You're confused already?
Yeah.
You gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are you done eating?
No.
No? Oh, you still want some more?
Water.
Careful. All that garlic, seasoning, onion.
Look. Here, only legs, no face.
Mm-hmm.
No back. I think you just throw away the
Bye.
Subscribe and watch our video. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
See you later.
See you later.
I love you too.
Love you too. Bye.
Thank you for watching our